What if I told you that the United States is developing a new generation of fighter jets so advanced that they could completely reshape the global military balance? It may sound like science fiction, but it isn't. Over the last few years, Donald Trump has pushed one of the most ambitious military modernization efforts in history, accelerating the development of combat aircraft that go far beyond anything flying today. We are not just talking about faster jets. We are talking about aircraft controlled by artificial intelligence, capable of coordinating entire swarms of drones in combat, hypersonic aircraft that could cross continents in a matter of minutes, stealth platforms so advanced that enemy radars might not even know they are there, and ultra-secret projects that are already flying, even though the world barely knows they exist. Today on TechZNX, you are about to discover the most powerful new generation of fighter aircraft ever developed by the United States. Machines designed to dominate the skies for decades and capable of destroying entire enemy forces before they even understand what is happening. So get ready, because what you are about to see are not just fighter jets, they are the future of aerial warfare. Let's begin. Top 10. Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat. Air warfare is entering a new era, an era where not every fighter jet has a pilot. And one of the first real examples of this revolution is the MQ-28 Ghostbat, developed by Boeing as part of the Loyal Wingman program. At first glance, it doesn't look like a traditional fighter. There is no cockpit, no pilot, and that is exactly what makes it such a dangerous weapon. But the Ghostbat was designed to fly alongside crewed fighters like the F-35 or the future NGAD, acting as a direct extension of the human pilot. But its role goes far beyond simple escort. It can move ahead of the main formation and detect threats before conventional radar systems. It can act as a decoy, forcing enemy defenses to reveal their position. It can jam sensors, disrupt radars, and open safe corridors for manned aircraft to penetrate hostile airspace. And if necessary, it can also strike. Equipped with advanced sensors and the ability to carry weapons, the Ghostbat can engage enemy aircraft, destroy air defense systems, or attack strategic targets. But the most revolutionary aspect of this system is its operational concept, because the Ghostbat does not operate alone. It operates in groups. And a single manned fighter could be accompanied by multiple Ghostbat drones, each acting as a scout, shield, attacker, or decoy. This dramatically multiplies combat power without putting additional pilots at risk. The enemy is no longer facing one aircraft. They are facing a network of intelligent machines working together in real time. And perhaps the most unsettling part is that, unlike traditional fighters, these drones are far cheaper and faster to produce, which means the skies of the future could be filled with these ghost fighters. No pilots, no fear, and no human limits. Top 9. General Atomics Gambit. For decades, fighter jets have been incredibly complex and extremely expensive machines. But the future of aerial warfare may change dramatically with programs like General Atomics Gambit. This project represents a completely different concept: autonomous modular fighters produced in large numbers. Gambit is not a single aircraft. It is an entire family of platforms that can be configured for different missions. Some versions focus on air superiority, others are designed for deep strike missions, and some variants specialize in electronic warfare, jamming enemy radars and communications. All of this without a pilot on board. The Gambit concept is designed to operate within the new American doctrine known as Collaborative Combat Aircraft, or CCA. These drones will work alongside sixth-generation fighters like those in the NGAD program, acting as powerful force multipliers. A single human pilot could control several Gambit aircraft at once, sending them to different targets, scouting enemy airspace, or attacking hostile defenses. But the real revolution lies in its design philosophy. Unlike traditional fighters that take years to manufacture, the Gambit was designed to be produced faster and at a much lower cost, which means large numbers could be deployed rapidly in a major conflict. This fundamentally changes the logic of air combat. Instead of relying on a handful of extremely expensive aircraft, future skies could be filled with swarms of intelligent autonomous fighters, machines capable of fighting, adapting, and striking without direct human control. A glimpse into a future where air superiority no longer depends only on the pilot, but on the intelligence of machines. Top 8. Lockheed Martin RQ-170 Sentinel. The RQ-170 Sentinel was one of the best-kept secrets in American military aviation. A stealth drone developed by Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, designed to penetrate some of the most heavily defended airspaces on the planet without being detected. Its shape resembles a small stealth bomber, no cockpit, no pilot, and an extremely low radar signature. For a long time, it was believed that its only role was strategic reconnaissance. But many military analysts believe that far more advanced versions of the Sentinel have been developed, and some of them may even be armed. That would completely transform its role on the battlefield. Instead of simply observing, the RQ-170 could penetrate deep into enemy territory. Yes, identify strategic targets and destroy them with precision before the enemy even realizes they are under attack. Its stealth design allows it to evade radar. Its relatively compact size makes it difficult to detect, and its ability to operate for long hours makes it an ideal platform for deep infiltration missions. Command centers, radar installations, air defense systems, strategic infrastructure, all could be identified and eliminated by an aircraft that practically does not exist on enemy radar screens. That is why many experts consider the RQ-170 one of the first real pieces of the future of aerial warfare. A future where the most dangerous attacks will not come from visible fighters, but from invisible ghosts already flying inside enemy airspace. Top 7. X-62A Vista. For more than a century, every fighter aircraft had one thing in common: a human pilot inside the cockpit. But the X-62A Vista is changing that rule. This aircraft, based on a modified F-16, was transformed by the United States Air Force and DARPA into an experimental platform designed for something entirely new, allowing artificial intelligence to fly a real fighter jet. Vista stands for Variable In-Flight Simulation Test Aircraft. It was created to test advanced control systems capable of operating the aircraft without direct human input. In other words, the aircraft can fly, maneuver, and fight, guided by artificial intelligence algorithms. During recent tests, the X-62A performed complex air combat maneuvers using AI systems trained through massive simulations. These algorithms can analyze the environment, calculate trajectories, and react in fractions of a second, much faster than a human pilot could. But the goal of the program is not to immediately replace pilots. The real objective is to develop systems capable of coordinating entire swarms of autonomous aircraft. In the future, a single human pilot could supervise a group of combat drones while artificial intelligence handles the maneuvers. This could completely transform aerial warfare, because machines do not get tired, they do not feel fear, and they can make decisions in milliseconds. The X-62A Vista is only a test platform, but it is also a clear signal of where air combat is heading, a sky where human pilots will no longer fly alone, and where some of the most dangerous maneuvers will be executed by artificial intelligence. Top 6. Northrop Grumman, Model 437. Inside the most secret laboratories of the American aerospace industry, aircraft are being developed that the public knows almost nothing about. One of the most intriguing is the Northrop Grumman Model 437, a futuristic interceptor concept that offers a glimpse into what the fighters of tomorrow might look like. This project represents a new generation of aircraft designed for a battlefield completely different from today's. A battlefield dominated by advanced radar systems, hypersonic missiles, and extreme electronic warfare. For that reason, the Model 437 was designed with one clear objective: to be almost impossible to detect. Its structure uses extremely clean lines, or angular surfaces and materials designed to minimize radar reflection. In other words, an aircraft designed to appear on enemy radar only when it is already too late. But stealth is not its only advantage. The Model 437 is also envisioned as an advanced interceptor capable of engaging enemy aircraft, combat drones, or even long-range missiles. It could operate alongside sixth-generation combat systems, forming part of highly connected aerial networks where multiple platforms coordinate in real time. It is also expected that aircraft like this will integrate extremely advanced sensors capable of detecting threats at enormous distances, which means seeing the enemy before the enemy sees you. Although many details remain classified, the Model 437 represents something important. It is not just an aircraft. It is a preview of the future of air warfare, a future where dominance of the sky will depend on who can detect first and strike without ever being detected. Top 5. Boeing F-15 SE Silent Eagle. For decades, the F-15 has been one of the most feared fighter jets on the planet, an aircraft designed for air superiority with enormous weapon-carrying capacity and an almost unmatched combat record. But Boeing decided to take that concept even further. The result was the F-15 SE Silent Eagle, a radically upgraded version of the legendary F-15 designed to combine its raw destructive power with stealth characteristics. Unlike the traditional F-15, the Silent Eagle incorporates internal weapon bays, allowing missiles to be carried inside the fuselage and significantly reducing radar signature. It also features structural modifications, angled surfaces designed to deflect radar waves. The objective is simple: maintain the incredible offensive power of the F-15, while making it far harder to detect. And that offensive power is enormous. The F-15 has always been known for its ability to carry a massive amount of weaponry. air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, precision-guided bombs, all on a single aircraft. This means the Silent Eagle could strike multiple targets in one mission while still maintaining a degree of stealth usually associated with newer fighters. But the most interesting part is its philosophy. While fifth-generation fighters focus on maximum stealth, the F-15SE focuses on a balance between stealth and overwhelming firepower, a fighter capable of carrying more weapons than almost any aircraft on Earth, while still approaching the enemy without being easily detected. A dangerous combination that makes the Silent Eagle one of the most interesting hybrid fighters ever conceived. Top 4. DARPA LongShot. For decades, fighter jets have faced a simple limitation. To attack the enemy, they must first get close enough. But getting close also means entering extremely dangerous zones filled with radars, surface-to-air missiles, and hostile fighter aircraft. The DARPA LongShot project aims to change that logic completely. The idea is revolutionary. Instead of approaching the enemy directly, one fighter jet could launch another smaller combat aircraft while still in the air. That aircraft would be the LongShot, a drone designed to carry air-to-air missiles and attack enemy aircraft from long distances. Here is how it works. A main fighter, such as an F-15, F-35, or even future NGAD aircraft, launches the LongShot from outside the range of enemy defenses. Once deployed, the drone flies toward the combat zone and launches missiles against enemy aircraft. This allows the main fighter to remain far away from danger while the LongShot performs the most risky part of the mission. In other words, it dramatically extends the effective range of air-to-air missiles. And because it is unmanned, the LongShot can take risks that no human pilot would ever accept. It can penetrate heavily defended airspace. And it can act as a decoy, and it can engage enemy fighters without putting human lives in danger. This concept could completely transform modern air combat, because in the future, fighter jets will not fight alone. They will fight alongside smaller autonomous aircraft that are launched directly into the battlefield. A new evolution that could redefine what it means to dominate the sky. Top 3. F/A-XX. For decades, the power of the United States Navy has relied on a simple idea. Aircraft carriers are floating air bases capable of projecting military power anywhere on the planet. But the aircraft operating from those carriers must evolve as well. And that evolution is known as F/A-XX. This ultra-secret U.S. Navy program is intended to develop the successor to the F/A-18 Super Hornet, on a next-generation fighter specifically designed to dominate aerial combat from the aircraft carriers of the future. Although many details remain classified, the information that has emerged suggests an aircraft very different from current naval fighters. The F/A-XX is expected to be a sixth-generation aircraft with extreme stealth, advanced sensors, and fully networked warfare capabilities. Its structure would be optimized to minimize radar signature, allowing it to penetrate highly defended airspace. But stealth is only part of its power. The F/A-XX is also expected to coordinate swarms of combat drones known as Collaborative Combat Aircraft, or CCA. In other words, a single pilot could control several autonomous drones acting as scouts, attackers, or decoys. This would massively increase the offensive power of every aircraft carrier. The aircraft is also expected to include extremely advanced sensor systems capable of detecting threats at enormous distances. And all of that information could be shared instantly with other aircraft, ships, and defense systems. The result would be an integrated combat network, a battlefield where every platform is connected, and where a pilot is not just controlling an aircraft, but an entire ecosystem of aerial warfare. When aircraft like the F/A-XX begin operating from carriers such as those of the Gerald R. Ford class, every U.S. carrier strike group could effectively become a massive airborne combat force capable of dominating entire regions of the world. Top 2. NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance. For decades, the F-22 Raptor has been considered the most dominant air superiority fighter ever built. All but the United States is already developing the aircraft that will replace it. That project is known as NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance. And it is not simply another fighter jet. It is an entire aerial combat system designed to dominate the skies for decades. The NGAD is expected to be a sixth-generation aircraft with capabilities far beyond those of current fighters. Its design prioritizes extreme stealth, making it even harder to detect than the F-22 or F-35. It will also incorporate completely new sensor systems capable of detecting threats at enormous distances and sharing that information instantly with other platforms. But what truly changes the rules of the game is its operational concept. The NGAD will not fight alone. Each aircraft will operate alongside autonomous combat drones known as Collaborative Combat Aircraft. These drones can act as scouts, attackers, electronic warfare platforms, or decoys. In other words, a single pilot could be commanding an entire squadron of intelligent machines. This dramatically increases combat power while reducing the risk to human pilots. The aircraft is also expected to include technologies that once sounded like science fiction: distributed sensors across the entire airframe, adaptive engines capable of extremely high performance, and the ability to integrate next-generation weapons, all within a platform designed for maximum stealth. Some prototypes of the program are believed to have already flown in secret, which suggests the development is far more advanced than many people realize. When the NGAD eventually enters service, it will not simply be another fighter jet. It will become the core of an entirely new model of air warfare, one where dominance of the skies is achieved not by a single aircraft, but by an entire network of fighters, drones, and sensors working as one. Top 1. SR-72 Son of Blackbird. If there is one aircraft that truly looks like it came from the future, it is the SR-72. Nicknamed the Son of Blackbird, this project developed by Lockheed Martin Skunk Works aims to create the fastest military aircraft ever built. Its objective is simple and terrifying: dominate the planet through speed. The SR-72 is expected to reach speeds above Mach 6. That is more than 6 times the speed of sound. At that velocity, the aircraft could cross entire continents in minutes. But unlike its predecessor, the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, the SR-72 is not intended only for reconnaissance. Future versions are expected to include strike capabilities, meaning it could launch hypersonic weapons against strategic targets. In practical terms, that means the aircraft could penetrate enemy airspace before radar systems even have time to react. At such extreme speeds, intercepting it would be incredibly difficult. The aircraft is also expected to use a combined cycle engine capable of operating at both subsonic and hypersonic speeds. This technology would allow it to accelerate rapidly and sustain extreme velocity during flight. But perhaps the most unsettling aspect is its strategic impact. An aircraft capable of flying at Mach 6 could strike almost any location on the planet in a very short time. All military bases, command centers, critical infrastructure, all could be targeted before the enemy even has time to organize a defense. That is why many analysts consider the SR-72 one of the most ambitious aerospace projects in modern military history, a machine designed to redefine aerial warfare. Because in the wars of the future, speed itself may become the most powerful weapon of all. And after seeing these machines, one thing becomes clear: air combat is about to enter an entirely new era. For decades, fighter jets simply became faster, more maneuverable, or equipped with better missiles. But the new generation goes far beyond that. We are talking about aircraft controlled by artificial intelligence, combat drones flying alongside human pilots, hypersonic interceptors capable of crossing continents in minutes, and systems so advanced that many of them remain completely classified. The skies of the future will no longer be dominated only by pilots. They will be dominated by networks of intelligent machines, sensors, and next-generation weapons. A new form of aerial warfare, where speed, stealth, and artificial intelligence will decide who controls the skies of the planet. But now we want to hear from you. Which of these aircraft impressed you the most? And do you think any country will be able to compete with this new generation of fighters? Let us know your opinion in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering the most extreme weapons, secret military projects, and the technologies shaping the balance of global power, subscribe to TechZNX and activate the notification bell. Because in the next video, subscribe to TechZNX. We will explore military projects so secret that most people do not even know they exist.